Let me show you how to use Perplexity on mobile. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to use Perplexity on your phone, what you can do is download this application onto your phone. So open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and then search for Perplexity. You'll be able to see the app instantly. You can just download and install this application. Once the app has been installed, you can just tap open the application and make sure you log in. If you don't yet have an account, you can also create one easily. Now this is one way you can use Perplexity. If you don't want to download the application, you can also use a web browser. Open up your web browser and search for perplexity.ai. This way is going to take you to the official web app where you can now log in or create an account as well. So these are the two ways that you can use Perplexity on your mobile phone. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.